What if the moon crashed into the Earth? This topic is definitely eye-catching. Let's dive right into imagining this jaw-dropping scenario. What if the moon crashed into the Earth? Setting the stage. Imagine a serene evening with a full moon glowing brightly in the night sky. The moon has always been a faithful companion to Earth, influencing tides, lighting our nights, and inspiring wonder throughout history. But what if one day, this celestial dance came to a catastrophic end? Picture the moon hurtling towards Earth with unstoppable force. What would happen? Let's explore this cataclysmic event and its mind-blowing consequences. Chapter 1. The Pre-Crash Buildup. Before we get into the dramatic crash, let's understand the science behind why the moon stays in orbit around the Earth. The moon orbits Earth due to a delicate balance between its velocity and Earth's gravitational pull. But what if something disrupted this balance? A massive asteroid collision, a rogue planet passing too close, or even a hypothetical massive force altering the moon's path could send it hurtling towards Earth. Chapter 2. The Initial Impact. As the moon speeds towards Earth, the sky would light up with an eerie glow, visible even during the day. It would look like a second sun approaching at terrifying speed. The gravitational forces between Earth and the moon would start to tug at both bodies, causing earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and massive tidal waves. Coastal cities would be the first to experience the devastating effects as the seas rise and engulf entire regions. Chapter 3. The Catastrophic Collision. When the moon finally collides with Earth, the impact would be cataclysmic. The kinetic energy released would be equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. The crust of the Earth would be shattered, and molten rock would be flung into the atmosphere, creating a fiery maelstrom. The collision would likely create a massive crater, vaporizing anything in its path and sending shockwaves around the globe. Chapter 4. The Aftermath. In the aftermath of the collision, the Earth would be plunged into darkness. The debris from the impact would block out sunlight, leading to a nuclear winter scenario. Temperatures would plummet, and the surviving plants and animals would struggle to adapt to the harsh conditions. The loss of the moon's gravitational influence would also disrupt Earth's rotation and tilt, leading to unpredictable weather patterns and further ecological collapse. Chapter 5. The Long-Term Effects. As the dust settles, humanity would face the monumental task of rebuilding. The loss of the moon would have profound long-term effects on life on Earth. Tides would be much weaker, affecting marine life and coastal ecosystems. The length of days and nights would change, impacting the natural rhythms of all living creatures. Human civilization would be forever altered as we adapt to a world without the moon. Conclusion. Reflecting on the fragility of our world. The thought of the moon crashing into Earth is a powerful reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. While this scenario is purely hypothetical, it highlights the importance of understanding and protecting our cosmic neighborhood. As we gaze up at the moon tonight, let's appreciate its role in our existence and ponder the wonders of the universe.